The Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pans aim to be a helpful tool in your kitchen. It works as a frying pan and a skillet. You also get a lid and a steamer for cooking different foods. This all-in-one pan tries to make cooking simpler for everyone. It can work on all kinds of stoves, which is convenient. The non-stick surface is PFAS-free and PFOA-free. This can give you peace of mind when you cook for your family and friends. This 11-inch pan wants to be like many pans in one. It can work as woks and stir-fry pans. You can also use it as a saute pan. Imagine having one pan instead of many. This could save space in your kitchen. The Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pans hope to make cooking easier and faster. Think about making fluffy potatoes or even cooking some fish. The non-stick material helps food slide easily. Cleaning up might also be less of a hassle after you enjoy your meal. The Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pans come in a white color. It tries to offer good value for your money. It's designed for everyday use. Whether you are making a quick breakfast or a nice dinner, the inclusion of a lid and steamer adds to its usefulness. It's like having an employee in the kitchen that helps with many tasks. While it might not star in movies, this pan could become a reliable part of your daily cooking routine. And its easy entrega to your home makes it even better. It doesn't require a signature for its usefulness in your kitchen. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: includes lid, steamer for healthy cooking, all stove types, wok and stir-fry capable, saute. Pan function, PFAS-free, PFOA-free, easy to clean. Cons: non-stick may degrade. Avoid metal tools, color might vary, could be heavy, storage might be tricky, lid vent small, handle not always cool, micro pressure needs care, cleaning lid gasket. Price might be high. Features: 8-in-1 non-stick 11-inch, with lid, steamer, all stoves, woks and stir-fry, saute pan. PFAS-free, PFOA-free. This Tiborang 8-in-1 pan is a non-stick 11-inch frying pan that comes with a lid and a steamer. You can use it on all kinds of stoves. It works as a wok for stir-frying and also as a saute pan. The pan is made without harmful chemicals called PFAS and PFOA. This Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pan is a non-stick 11-inch skillet that comes with a lid and a steamer for healthy cooking on any type of stove. It can work as a wok for stir-frying and as a saute pan. And it's made without PFAS or PFOA. While it's easy to clean because of its non-stick surface, this coating may wear down over time, and metal tools should not be used. Keep in mind that the color may be different from what you expect. It could feel heavy, and storing it might be a bit awkward. The lid has a small vent. The handle might get hot, and the micro pressure feature needs careful use, as does cleaning the lid's rubber part. Some people might think it costs a lot,